In this video we'll be demonstrating the installation of the FlushPro into a Mercury Verado 300 horsepower outboard engine. There's 5 simple steps to follow, and we'll begin the process with step 1, which will be removing the OEM flush plug from the engine cowling. Step 2 will be to remove the OEM flush plug from the 3/4 inch hose connector. Step 3, we're going to remove the OEM plug from the retaining lanyard. Step 4 will be to install the FlushPro onto the retaining lanyard and the 3/4 inch female hose receptacle. Step 5 will be to install the FlushPro back into the engine cowling. On some engines you may require the assistance of an 11/16 wrench, which you can use on the FlushPro collar. Simply remove the cap and put the wrench on the collar. This added leverage will assist the installation, but do not over tighten 1/4 turn. Your engine is now ready for flushing. Take your water source and hose with the included quick connect, put it on the FlushPro and turn on your water supply. The engine is now flushing. On completion of flushing, turn off your water supply, disconnect your quick connect and put the cap back on the quick FlushPro. Your engine is now ready for operation. Thank you for watching this video.